up there?
Well, this one has everything, so let's.
Okay.
He's doing good.
Yeah. You're doing good, man. Okay.
Putting on the same thing. No. Got that one free. The blood pressure free. This free. Yep, I'm good. All of that is just the main power source, I guess, for this.
Okay.
So I guess
Okay.
that needs to be.
Let's try to burp again.
There, I'll put this up here. Nice.
Let's try to burp again. You ready?
Let's move this out of the way.
Oh, good burp. Oh, man. Yeah, that was a good one. That was good. That was so good. Okay, you can let go of my sleeve. Okay, just like that. I got you. I got you.
Try to point that to the back, so, perfect, so it's plug in will be out of the way.
Oh, we don't have any bed cloths, though.
Heart's okay.
What you doing, man? Come on. Okay. Good boy. That's good, Jackson. Okay. Catch your breath. Yeah, I know. Catch your breath. It's okay. Oh, yeah. Just catch your breath. Catch your breath. Catch your breath.
Nice and toasty in there.
Most of the day. May need to turn it down a little bit, I just turned it
Okay.
Your husband? No, he texted me. He said to call him before I left, so
Okay.
he's in the middle of all the entertaining that they do down there this time of the year.
How we doing, Jackson? So we almost got it. Okay, good boy. Biggie boy. Holding his hands. Can you see his hands? Sweet.
Calculating what your intake is supposed to be.
All right, little man. What a good little man he is. Okay, we can let go now. Okay.
Alright, grab my sheet.
I'm just not good at getting this last little bit to him here. Okay. Oh, come on, man. All right, there you go.
Hey.
Yeah. You want that? See if we can get this last little bit.
Just kind of shake it down on the nipple one.
Okay. Oh, I know. Your mama's trying to jam it down your throat, isn't she? Okay. Okay. And try again. Want to try again? Not right this minute? There, a little burp.
Shake it down first before you put it in
Oh,
his
but
mouth.
still, by the time I get it in his mouth,
I'm
it's
just
not.
saying.
Let me see if he wants to burp some more
Okay.
first. You think he got to burp some more?
What? I left it there for you guys. Oh, that would be not such a nice thing to do to somebody. Mackenzie wanted some, so I made it for her.
Okay, let's try to get this last little bit. Let's try to get this last little bit out of here for me. Okay.
I've got some more socks.
Okay. All right, Diana, that's about as good as I can do.
Okay, that looks pretty good.
Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Missed it. Missed it.
You are just a little bird.
Oh, goodness.
You know, he's like 32 week.
Oh.
32 week? Yeah, 32 week on with severe health
Oh, yeah.
syndrome is a sad section. And got his 3 doses of surfactant. And it's pretty much been on room air since last Thursday.
Oh my
And he
goodness.
had that one episode of
Friday, he was
right, for a potential aspiration type issue, but it's been sat 96 times.
Wrap him back up.